Good morning, everybody. This is Tuesday, 14th of May. Yeah, Tuesday, 14th of May. So we are here already, and the job is making progress. Clearly, we are making progress. So, and from here, we have clear reception. I can actually send you this video from here. We are closer to Ikorodu from all indication. I'm already seeing the signal. I'm seeing some locations on Google Map indicating that we are closer to Ikorodu. So we are making progress. The job will start in a few minutes, and then we'll take this trajectory, and hopefully in the next few weeks we should be knocking on the doors of Ikorodu.